Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we get to work on this Porsche again. We're getting so close to finally get this thing to drive, even though we're having a little bit of issue in the rear end, it's making a lot of noise. We'll have to figure that out. But today, we'll go ahead and get this roof painted, get the hood painted, and get this thing pretty much the paint work done. And then we got the bumper we got to still put together. A lot of little tedious kind of thing. So let's get the roof painted, and then we'll get it out and probably work on the suspension. I think it's the axle, we'll see. I did find one locally so we can pick that up, hopefully replace it. Once we do that, we can keep bleeding the system because we still got a bunch of air in it. We got a lot of work. So Michael, enough talking, let's just get straight to work. Knock this thing out.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so we got this thing painted pretty quick. 2 coats of black, 2 coats of clear, and we're done. Look at that. Look at the contrast. We still got to clean it up a little bit, but this is going to look really good. It's going to flow really nicely, especially with that big spoiler right here. So, and I've been reading your comments. You guys are really disliking his calipers.
Yeah, for some reason the calipers are sticking out. I don't know.
Makes me want to keep them even more. No, I'm just kidding. Well, I mean, we're still thinking about repainting calipers. I mean, should we go with black or red? The rim color, we're staying the same. I like the rim. I like this,
maybe purple.
Aggressive. Maybe purple calipers. I don't know. Maybe red or black, and then maybe some purple letters or something. But I don't know. Leave us a comment down below. But let's go ahead and jack the side up. I actually got the axle already. And this is like the original axle that came with this trailer. That's how
transmission,
transmission, yeah.
So probably got that with us.
Yeah, so this should go in pretty easy because when I spun it over, you can hear the clunk clunk. Then I look inside, the boot was all ripped up and everything. So I guess in here it took apart. Who knows? But let's go ahead and take that apart and then maybe go for our first test drive without any noise.
Be great.
All right, so finally we got the rear bumper installed. We got the side skirt installed with the fin. Everything's looking good. Now we're ready for a spoiler. So I did glue these on. Use panel bond. Still got to clean it up right there. No big deal. Little things. Panel bond. So this stuff should be good. Then we drilled the holes. So let's go ahead and mount this spoiler and see how it looks. All right, so there we have it. Oh, it's on there good. Looks pretty sick. All right, so let's go ahead and get the front bumper installed. The radiator, finally the right one came in. I had to fix it. It was fun doing that, but finally I got that all done. I bled it. I put the AC in there, so we're not leaking anything, so we should be able to put the bumper on and be ready to go. The headlights, all the modules in there, the headlights are working, so I'm not gonna put the fender liners in until we get the alignment done, but let's get the bumper installed and then maybe put on the alignment machine and check it out, and then maybe go for a test drive. Got the interior kind of cleaned up already. So slowly but surely we're getting this thing done. Alright, so we got the Porsche on the alignment rack. We got it all situated, I guess. And let's look at these specs. That's not really good. So that's the rear. This is the front. Let's figure it out. Go from there. Alright guys, so bad news with alignment. The back was good. I got that squared away, but for some reason this side, was it right to this side? The driver's side?
It's kind of rigged all around, Ivan.
Yeah, this wheel's still cambered in, so I don't know if it's maybe the lower control arm or the knuckle or whatnot, but I got it straight up to go for a test drive. So, and plus we're still bleeding the system. I mean, I still don't have heat inside, but it's not overheating. So maybe the nice quick drive is gonna help that out. So I say, Michael, let's go hit the road and hopefully not break down.
Yep.
So let's go to it.
Let's do it. Alright guys, so after about a 30-second drive, it's doing pretty good. We went around the corner really quick. You know, it's driving pretty straight. Pretty happy about that. Not that much noise, but the exhaust is kind of smoking a little bit, so I don't want to go too far because maybe stuff is burning off. Also, Mike, did we check the rear end oil? I don't know. Probably should check that out, yeah.
We should definitely check that because we got to use transmission, so make sure that. But the transmission shifting all the gears, all that. You know, there's a couple of the check engine lights still on, so we got to figure that out, but progress, you know. Now we can start driving it once we check the fluids a little bit more and then the coolant, but I'm excited, Michael. What do you guys think?
Finally.
So for right now, we're done for this episode. You guys leave us a comment down below. Do you guys want to see us do anything else with it, or just kick it to the side and let it sit, you know?
Yeah, take it to the park or something and go to the mountains or something. I don't know.
Or something.
Yeah.
But we're excited to get to this part of the stage of this wonderful car. And just like that, we're done. And hopefully on to another build. And then maybe fix it up a little bit more and enjoy it. But leave us a comment down below. We'll catch you guys next time.